So you are ready to take a dance class. Congratulations! Here are some tips to help you succeed. 1. Come with a positive attitude. First class, it's natural to be nervous, shy, or even scared. Don't let your nerves take over. Instead, be proactive. Introduce yourself to others. This will calm your nerves as well as make you more likable. If you're having a bad day, leave the negative energy outside because it's destructive and it makes you unattractive. Instead, focus on the class. Put 100% of your attention here. You're going to appreciate it, so will others. For those with prior dance experience, be kind. Help those who seems to be lost. Sometimes I see experienced dancers looking bored with that snobby facial expression that says, "I'm bored because I already know how to do this move." Don't do that. Instead, look around. If everyone else is struggling, it doesn't make sense for the instructor to move on. So offer help to those that need it. Everyone will appreciate it, and you'll be a better dancer because of it. 2. Come prepared. Wear the proper attire. Usually bare feet or high heels don't make sense for a hip hop class. What should you wear? If you're not sure, it's best to ask your instructor. Be respectful of others. Don't come straight to dance class after working out without showering. For folks with body odor, be aware and wear deodorant. If you got bad breath, use mouthwash or chew gum. Try not to forget these common sense courtesies. 3. Practice outside of class. This is essential if you want to improve fast. It is easier to practice with friends. Make friends with other students and schedule time to practice together. This is the path to success. Another option is to practice with online dance videos. Use the library of dance videos in our YouTube channel if you find them useful. If you did, hit the like and subscribe to our channel if you hadn't already, and we'll see you in the next video.
We just filmed a short video to teach students how to be a good dance student.
Yeah. This is our star of the show with the nervous face.